be available, that will be taking with implicit wait. So let's see that how exactly it will be done. Okay. For that, for that implicit wait, we are informing to WebDriver saying that driver dot manage dot which need to be get managed, that will be taking with time. That particular time you will be taking with implicit wait. So that particular time you will be taking with implicit wait. So dot you will be taking with duration. According to the requirement, you can take with any of the duration. Now, the meaning of this particular statement, the meaning of this particular statement, we are informing to the WebDriver in saying that need to be get managed with the time. In saying that need to be get managed with the time, that particular time you will be taking with implicit wait. So that particular time it will be taking with implicit wait. So that will be taking with duration and then taking with duration of seconds. We can go with seconds, minutes, milliseconds according to the requirement. Now, this particular implicit wait, once you done with the click activity, it will wait until that page has to be available. And for the confirmation, printing with the statement, printing with the statement in saying that login completed. Okay. And after that, we need to be take with logout, that will be taking with driver dot find element by dot it will be taking with link text here, and then need to be get provide, that will be taking with logout dot it will be taking with click activity, which will be taking with click activity. So once you done this particular click activity, then here we are just adding with wait statement, that will be taking with thread dot sleep, and then for the confirmation printing with the statement, that will be taking with logout completed. Okay, and finally need to be get close with application, that will be taking with driver dot close. Now you can see here. So we need to be get taking care about importing all the required packages, importing all the required packages, and then taking with wait statement. I mean, creating the class, creating the main method, path of exe file, launching the browser, entering the URL, entering the username, entering the password. Wait until the condition has to be available and then click on login. After that, we need to wait until page has to be available, taking with the logout and close the application. Now we can see while executing with the program, we can see how fast it will execute, because as given the respective wait statement, if button is available, immediately do the login. Page loaded, waiting. Page loaded, immediately done the logout. Now thread.sleep functionalities, thread.sleep functionality. Wait until the whole time has to be completed. Now you can see here. Let me run once again. Now the conclusion is, while working with the explicit wait and implicit wait, no chance of wasting with the time. Button available, done login, and then page available, immediately done the logout, and once logout is done, waiting for the whole time. So this is what we got a possibility in considering the taking with wait statement. While working with the real time, which one need to be get used? It's totally depends on that particular tester comfortable. Based on tester comfortable, based on tester comfortable, we can take care about. Based on the tester comfortable, we can take care about in utilizing that particular respective weight statement. So this is how we have a possibility in working with the weight statement that we will be taking with thread or sleep and then implicit weight and then taking with explicit weight. Okay. Similar to this, we can understand one more functionality. So take with the new heading mentioning the file upload. Take with the new heading file upload. File upload using Selenium. Take with the new heading file upload using Selenium. File upload using Selenium. Have a heading is file upload using Selenium. And then make a note of this particular syntax. Just mention that file upload using Selenium and then make a note of this particular syntax. Online students also, online students also have a heading is file upload using Selenium and make a note of the syntax. Online students also just have a heading is file upload using Selenium and make a note of this particular syntax. Okay. Right. So let's understand what exactly mean by this. Now assume that if we get consider manual step, manually, if you want to be get upload in a file, if you want to get upload in a file, the one will be taking with the steps of, you will click on the button. It can be choose file or you may get upload or you will be getting with browse. Different type of options will be there. You will click on the button, you will select the file and you will take with open. But here you can see that once we got click on the button, according to our application, it got open one window. Most of the time it will open the window. While working Selenium, what is the drawback of the Selenium? Drawback of Selenium. It can automate only web applications. It cannot automate anything related to Windows. That means if I just click on this button, it is giving in a window. Selenium cannot automate this. So then how we can go with these things? Now, see the whole options here. If you are taking with file upload, one option, you have to click on button. One option, you need to click on button. This is one option. Another option you can try with taking with drag and drop. This is one option. I mean, you will be taking with the file drag and drop. This is one more approach. Another option, another option we can provide in taking with file path. I mean, to upload in a file, to upload in a file, we got in a different options. If you want to be get upload in a file, either we can click on the button, it can be browse button, it can be browse button or taking with this particular upload, or you will be taking with this choose file, anything you are taking with the button. If you click on the button, it will open the window. That window we cannot automate. So by using WebDriver, we cannot automate this particular approach. By using with the WebDriver, we cannot automate this particular approach here. At the same time, drag and drop. You need to take the file. We have to drag it, drop it. This approach also we cannot automate by using WebDriver. By using WebDriver, by default, we cannot automate this particular approach. What is another option we got? File path. This is we can automate with the help of the WebDriver, because you are just providing path of the file. You are just providing the path of the file. So by that it's need to be get uploaded. This approach we can automate with the help of WebDriver. Now you can see here, just what we are doing is, where we have to upload, we are identifying that particular element. For example, our requirement, we need to upload here. We are recognizing this button. We are not taking click activity. Did we return click method here? No. We are just identifying that particular button and then taking the method name of send keys and provided path of the file to be uploaded. Which file you want to upload, whatever it can be. As an example, I given that file path in your local system, whatever the path is available, whatever the file you want to upload, it can get upload any of the file. So whatever the file you want to be get upload, you can upload any of the file here. So that will be taking with, that will be mentioning about file upload. So while working with the Selenium, by default, we cannot automate this particular approach. Because of that, we are taking with path of the file here. So that is what we are taking with the test case. This particular step, you are already knowing it. Just we are taking with add employee test case only, providing this particular path of exe file, launching the browser, entering with the URL, entering with the username, entering the password, doing with the login, enter into frame. Click on add button, typing the first name, typing the last name. The need to be get upload in a file. To upload in a file, to upload in a file, we are taking with identifying that particular element and providing path of the file. Then we are printing file uploaded, click on save and then take the exit and then taking with logout. So just we are taking care about in understanding while working with the selenium, if you want to be get upload in a file, if you want to be get upload in a file, so how exactly we can upload it, we are taking care about that particular statement. Now you can see here. So just if we run this, you need to be able in understanding uploading in a file. Just we are trying to get understand that we are trying to get understand that how exactly we can automate, how exactly we can automate these particular things. So this is what we are looking into that. I can see here. It's need to be get click on add button and then need to be get upload in a file desert.jpg and then taking the save and doing the logout. Taking the save, that file has been uploaded, then taking with logout and close with application. It's not like any new thing here. Previously, we are already automated the test case of add employee. Previously, we just done with typing the first name, typing the last name, click on save. Now we got added with the step of in just uploading with the file. I can see here. So we need to be get taking care about in having with this particular step that it will be taking with save and then taking with logout. So this is what we got an option in taking care about file upload. Just we are trying to get understand just we are trying to get understand how exactly we can automate different kind of functionalities. So this is what we need to be get mentioning about taking with file upload. Similar to this, we need to be get understand about some more individual programs here. So still we need to be get understand about lot of individual programs that will continue. After that, we have to start with another most important one, that is frameworks concept. Before going to automation frameworks, first we have to comfortable about all these individual programs. So just take care about the practice of all these particular individual program. Still will continue. Still some more individual programs are there that will be continued. After that, we'll be getting started with frameworks concepts here. Okay. So tomorrow we'll take with some other individual program. Just continue with the practice. The testing URL is not working. That I'll cross check on that. I'll make sure that that URL is working, but take care about the practice on that. Okay. Yeah. Carry on. Thank you.